Uh-oh. Do you like the snow? Brayden, do you like the snow? Do you like eating the snow? Olaf doesn't have buttons.
Yeah, he does.
Wow.
Let's see if I'm missing anything.